Today we are going to make pancakes.
Based on a Delia Smith recipe that's been gently modernised. Gently made Caleb friendly in the milk. We'll go through the list first. So what's that?
4 ounces of plain flour.
Plain flour.
10 grams.
We have, I did start that as a little preparation. I have sieved that already. We're doing a recipe and a half. So 110 times 1.5 is?
Yeah, I don't know.
165, great. Pinch of salt.
0 grams.
Put the salt in already. 2 eggs times 1.5.
3.
3. Good. Right, we need, now Mummy says that we can just use milk, oat milk, instead of milk and water.
Mm-hmm.
So how much oat milk is there to do in the recipe?
275.
275 times 1.5.
This is 1
Hold on.
litre.
Yeah, no, 275.
Should I get my calculator?
140. 140
I'll get my
What's
calculator.
140? What do we need?
is 1.5. So 275 plus 140. Go.
415.
Okay, good. Let's go.
What are you looking for?
I'm getting my calculator.
We are on camera.
Yeah, could you please give me a bin?
We're making pancakes.
Yeah. What are we looking for? 415 of?
Oat milk.
That's simple.
Where's Caleb? Yes, we need. Okay. So 275 times 1.5.
412.5.
So we'll put 413 in. Okay, so make sure you tear that off first. No. Back to millilitres. Again, no. Back to millilitres. What does that say?
No.
Okay, and tear it off. No, press it once and leave it. Okay. Now you need to put in 413.
Of what? Oh no.
Give it a shake first, remember? Okay.
Need 1 litre.
Yes, that means that 413 is less than half, but you can watch it as it goes.
400.
That's 100, 200, 230. Oh, overkill. Okay, let's get this bit out using a spoon.
Cut.
Now the
No. Cool, lovely. You can pour that in.
no spill.
Put that over there. Okay, put that over there. Washing it.
I need my
Right.
calculator.
Mummy said a little bit of oil. Just a tiny little glug.
Look.
Yeah, like this. There you go. That's because we don't need to do the
Now let's
butter
mix
such
it.
much. No, let's see what it says. We have to read the recipe because this is a recipe time. First, sieve the flour. Have we done that?
Yep.
And salt into a large mixing bowl. We've done that. Holding the sieve up high to give the flour an airing. Done that. Then make a well in the centre of the flour and break the 2 eggs into it.
Well, 3 to us.
No. It said make a well.
Oh
I don't
well.
remember.
What's so well?
You know,
I have never cracked in it.
a hole in the ground. You know.
Oh.
So in the flour, don't crush the flour. You need to because it's got air in it. We need to make a gentle hole. You could use a spoon if you wanted to.
I'm gonna crack it like they do in comics.
No, I said we need to make a well first.
I
The
know.
Egg doesn't make a well, does it? The people.
Is that good?
Is it a well? Why don't you push it
Well,
up?
it's a hole.
We'll just make it a proper size well, so that. Okay.
Should I do the comic thing?
Okay. And let's say crack the eggs into it.
Yeah.
Break the 2 eggs into it.
Hang on. To make sure it doesn't get over.
I'll show you. I'll do one for you. Okay, move. There we go. Ready?
Ooh.
Okay. Go. And roll up your sleeves. Just in case. You just step right a bit so that you don't block everyone else.
What if I do this?
No, because then it will go everywhere.
This might be a bit of fail. Yep. Fail.
Put it there. You had to crack it in. That's fine. Only one piece in.
Yay.
Okay, and I'll show you
Not
again.
that much of a fail.
Well, on it, maybe on the edge. There you go.
Oh.
Okay, then move back a bit.
Oh, just looking at it pretty lot.
Okay, what does it say? What does it say in the recipe?
It says. Hang on.
What does it say in the recipe?
How about you? What does it say in the recipe?
Oh, I know what it says in the recipe. I'm getting you to read.
Okay. Now start it to whisk the eggs with an electric or any sort of whisk, or even a fork.
Oh, ta-da!
Yay! I'll whisk it.
Okay. Try and be open so the camera can see what you're actually doing. Go, whisk it. Oh, so whisk on the side like that. So 2 hands, angle it. That's it, and eat it in the middle first. That's it. You want to break the eggs. And use your wrist. That's it. Good.
Gimme.
Now start to whisk the eggs, beginning to incorporate bits of flour from around the edges as you do so. Don't mix it like a pastry. Oh. Let's have a look. I think we meant to, we might have messed this up, but hey. So I think we're meant to get the beat the eggs first, Caleb, as in the middle. We'll see. Oh, here we go. So what's next?
Beginning to incorporate bits of milk.
Milk and water gradually. Ignore any lumps. Okay, ready? So you want to add a little bit. So, okay. You know, very, very stiff. Oh, there it gets easier.
I'm ready with the.
Okay, and carry on. Bit more.
I might have had a little bit of milk. That's really good.
So carry on going. It says, yeah, so gradually add it. Do you want to talk about whisking?
No.
Yeah, okay. Gradually add all of it, because we've measured it all out. So that means that we...
Should I just add half?
Right, okay. Just slowly add it. It's looking like a mix, a batter mix now. Wow, this is
I
really
just dumped the rest.
No, because then that apparently it's not good for it. So when the recipe queen says add gradually.
Does it mean like this?
Yeah. You're making a mixture and a half as well, so it's got to be careful. When you upscale a recipe, things can change. Good. What's the next step? Watch you don't step in that mixture that we've just, that mess. What does it say?
When all the milk and water has been added, aka oat milk, slide a rubber spatula around the edge of the bowl to bring any elusive bits of flour into the centre of things. Then whisk once more till the batter is smooth and the consistency of thin cream.
Good. So do what it said. Bring any elusive bits into the centre. So capture the bits that are stuck on the side. Then whisk again.
Is it how you do it?
Oh yeah. So you're capturing it, aren't you? So it doesn't look. Yeah. Good.
Don't look like
Good.
flour.
Looks like you've done it now. Good. Then whisk again until the batter is smooth and the consistency of thin cream. But you don't know what thin cream looks like, do you?
No.
It's like, I think it's orange cream. Okay, that'll be easy then.
Oh wow.
So use the wrist to without making huge splashes. So try and like do an oval shape maybe to beat it. Because there's a difference between whisking and stirring. Good, that's better. Good. Whisk until the batter is smooth. Does that look rough or smooth?
Does anyone have a magnifying glass? It looks smooth.
Looks smooth. There we are. Good. Looks smooth. Okay.
Shall we mix it?
Yes.
When you're ready to cook the pancakes, add the 2 tablespoons of melted
We're not doing that.
Okay. Then melt about a teaspoon. No.
We're not doing that either.
Now, no. Next, get the pan really hot. Then turn the heat down to medium.
Okay.
And to start with, do a test pancake to determine whether or not you're using the correct amount of batter. The person says that they find 2 tablespoons about right, so...
Now on 2 mixes pan, get the pan really hot, then turn to medium. Test pancake. Oh, Mummy said a soup spoon and ladle, one flat one, is the perfect measurement. So let's find the ladle, shall we?
Found one!
Have you found?
Custard!
I found the ladle one.
I
This
found
one.
the custard.
How many holes have you got in yours?
7, but at the top.
Yeah.
Is that fine?
We'll use this one because
7 times 1.
Mum's done the math.
Okay.
Oh, do you want to turn those down to medium heat now, please?
What's medium?
It's in between max and minimum.
What is the maximum? What is the minimum?
Full power. Between full power and lowest power is medium power.
Is this that medium?
Well, is it between medium and minimum and maximum? So, yeah.
I'm not sure if it's medium or not.
Cool. Okay. Right, what does it say? Test pancake.
So should I put 2 of these in? Or just 1? Let's drip.
Okay. Okay. Right. Now put down all of it. Go.
Should I put another 1 in?
Yep, one's fine. And then we go around to the edges. Look.
Ah.
See? You watching?
Yep.
And then.
Can I get the tripod closer to look at it?
Yes, you can. It says if it's thin enough, it doesn't need flipping.
Pancakes.
Look at the bubbles.
This has gone on for 16
It
minutes.
should only take half a minute or so to cook. You can lift the edge with a palette knife to see if it's tinged gold, as it should be.
So at 16, I'd say let's go to 20 seconds past 16. Okay, it's 16. It's 20 past 16. 20 seconds past 16 minutes.
Cool.
Oh.
We're doing it Mummy's way, and
Maybe we aren't the best chefs, so Mum's way.
it's a test cook, isn't it? Because that looks like it's.
Stop. Dad, are you
working.
sure we shouldn't have put oil on it?
Well, I would have. I was trusting Mummy, so we'll see. Wait, is that right? Oh!
Oh!
Ooh.
Yay! Pancake's loose now. I dare you to flip it.
Ready?
Oh, oh, oh!
Ready? 3, 2.
Flip.
You're gonna right to the edges, good. Right to the edges. Coat the whole pan. That's it. And then just leave it there. And let's see how this one is doing. Ready?
Pancakes are so clever. I'll try this one.
Cool. Sugar, stuff like that.
Yeah, I didn't actually do sugar last time. I'll get my fork.
Whoa.
Whoa. Straight off the pan. This pancake looks yummy. Alright, so sugar. How to make a perfect pancake. Get a tiny little sprinkle of sugar. About this much. Sprinkle it over your pancake. Whoa, nice flip, Dad.
Almost.
Right now you've got a sugary pancake.
Cool. Are we finishing?
Yeah, nearly. Then, if you want to, you can add some lime or lemon juice. We use lime juice. It's really good. And then, you might want to add a bit of delicious chocolate sauce. You might, don't mean you have to. So, and then it's your choice if you want to do some golden syrup or maple syrup. I might try it. It's solid.
Oh.
This thing is solid.
Okay. Ah, yes, you'll need to try another one for now. Cool. Are we still doing the video?
If you don't have maple syrup, you might want to use some honey. Of course, it's solid as well. Couple more.
Oh, gentle. Smash it. Oh, is that ready? Oh, look, that's hot now. Ow, ow, ow. That's melted. Oh. And you go thing, go.
Whoa.
Jesse! Can you? Cool.
And there we go. A perfect pancake.
Look.
Thanks for watching.